boosters, welcome to this strategy. This is the Supertrend strategy plus our stochastic. It's a very easy combination to use. As you can see, it's a two-step strategy. So here are the rules of the strategy. Number one, wait for price to be oversold, as you can see, or wait for price to be overbought in this area, just like that. All right, and when you have any of those, now it's time for you to look for a sell signal. Now when you get a sell signal as such, see we had a sell signal right here, which was filtered because we were not oversold. We had a sell signal here. It was a valid sell signal. If you took this sell signal, you definitely would have, I believe you would have made some profits. You can see that was a nice sell signal right there. And as you can see, we had a nice overbought situation here. And one of the most important things is the crossover. The crossover plus a buy or sell signal is the golden nugget. So thanks for watching the video. That is exactly how the strategy works. I've given you an example there. I'm gonna give you a buy example as well. You can see we were oversold here, but we did not get a buy signal, so we're gonna ignore that. Overbought, as you can see, we eventually got a sell signal. That to me is a nice sell. Stop loss here and take profit there. Yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching the video. If this helped you, drop a like, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.